Calculate the sale price of an item if the cost price was $267 and a 15% profit was made. So the cost price is always considered to be 100%, and we're making a 15% profit. So that's 115%. As a decimal, that's 1.15, and multiply that by the cost price, and it's actually easier to do this on your ordinary scientific calculator, but never mind. 1.15 times 267, and I'm in standard mode. Let's go back to decimal and redo the calculation. 307 and 5 cents. The cost price was $3,853 and the store made a loss of 22%. So this time cost price is 100, but they're making a loss of 22%. So that means we keep 78%. So 0.78 multiplied by the 3853, so 0.78 multiplied by 3853, that gives me $3,005.34. A store sells an item for $198.45. This sale price represents a profit of 22.5%. Determine the cost price of the item. Now remember, the cost price is always 100%. The sale price is 100, add 22.5%, which is 122.5%. So we know that 122.5% is equivalent to $198.45. We want the cost price, which we know is 100%. So if we now divide by 122.5, we can find 1%. So 198.45, divide that by 122.5, and we get $1.62. And now all we need to do is multiply by 100 to get 100%, which we know is the cost price. And we could use the calculator, but that's easy enough. Multiplying by 100, it's going to be $162. A furniture store buys lounge suites for $1,640 each and sells them for $4,650 each. Determine the percentage markup on each lounge suite, correct to 2 decimal places. So it sells for $4,650 and it buys for $1,640. So let's look at how much they actually add. So $4,650 take away 1,640. So they've marked it up by $3,010. So let's see what that is as a percentage of the cost price. So that's 3,010 divided by 1,640, and then that's it as a fraction, and we multiply by 100 to change to percent. So 3010 divided by 1640 and multiply by 100, and that gives us 183, and we need to round this, 0.54%. A camping store was having a floor stock clearance sale where all floor stock was being discounted by 20%. How much would a tent that retails at a price of $1,700 cost? So consider the ordinary price to be 100%. We're getting a 20% reduction, which means we're paying 80% of the price. So 0.8 multiplied by 1,700, so 0.8 multiplied by 1700 gives us 1,360. Peta got a staff discount of 8% off the already reduced price, so that's this price here. So she's getting another 8% off. If she's got 8% off of this, remember we'd consider this to be 100% now for this next calculation, then she's going to pay 92%. So that's going to be 0.92 multiplied by 1360. So get the last answer up by just hitting times 0.92. So that's 1251.20. What's her total discount? Well, the discount is 1,700. Take away 1251.20. Note, what you don't do is just say 28%. That's definitely not right. So the original price, take away what she's actually paid, gives us $448.80. So 448.80 divided by the original, so 1700, multiplied by 100 to change it to a percentage. So that's the amount of money that she got off, divided by the original times 100. So 448.80 divided by 1700 and multiplied by 100. And that is 26.4%.